good morning. I'm quickly going out right now to go get us some few things that we need in the house. Today was very nice. I'm grateful. I sent go to school. Kayla is sleeping, so that's why I'm rushing out so that I can be back on time. But there's someone to look after if she wake up before I come back. And I didn't make breakfast today for the family. I make pasta, jollof spaghetti for goat. So the remaining one there was, I think, leftover in the fridge. And the one that I make for her today was jollof pasta, so spaghetti. So I just mix it together and give to the rest of the house to eat. Me, I didn't eat anything this morning. I'll eat around one because I joined NSPPD online for 7 a.m. fire prayer, and right now we are on furnace of answer. Today is day one, and Pastor Jerry said we should fast for from 6 to 1. That is escaping breakfast or something like that. So I'm doing that. So when I come back from the market, it should be maybe after 1 or 2. Maybe I'll eat around 3 because I'm trying to also wash my weight. Like I'm trying to do intermittent fasting, though I will not incorporate any clean food or anything like that. I still eat the food I eat, but I try to cut them down. Like I eat with little portion. I don't know how to put it right, but yeah, hopefully you guys get it. So I eat around 12. If not for the fast, I eat around 12, eat around 3 and 8 o'clock. But sometimes I just eat around 12 and eat around 8, or eat around 12, eat around 3. Sometimes I don't eat the 3 square meal because I'm still full. I drink a lot of water. Yeah. So yeah, today has been great, but let's quickly go to get the things that I need. Today, I actually really want to film when I'm outside, but there is nobody going out with me. I'm the only person going out, and I can't be present and filming, and I'm still shy. But that's by the way. Let's see how today goes. I think I'll make my hair next week. Anyway, yeah, let's go. No, I thought I could take and go school, so. Whenever I won't carry all these the 20 days we will get for the month now. What are you doing? Okay, just I'm back. The rain today. It rained so badly today, and after I bought the fish and the chicken, I could not get meat. But I'm thinking if I would send my security to go to help me to buy maybe small that I will use, or I will leave it tomorrow. I'll go and buy. I don't really know. But I got some few things, and I want to check my list and see things that I still need. So yeah, we are back from the mini market I went to. Is it market I won't go to? Anyway, let me just show you guys the few things I got. KK, what are you doing? Let me show you guys what Kayla is doing. You're painting your mouth. Okay, that's enough. You can close it. Close it, okay? And close mommy's bag. Good girl. That's my girl. KK. Beautiful girl. Yeah, so that's what she's busy doing. She's using my lipstick, but my lip gloss. But let me quickly show you guys the things that we got, okay? Yeah, so we got some few things. Let me quickly bring them out. I got egg. This is half plate of egg. I got it 3,000 naira. I could not find Nutribon. I don't know what happened to Nutribon company. Nutribon is very hard now. So I got Cerelac for Kayla, and I'm still giving Kayla Cerelac, by the way, Nutribon. But I got Cerelac to test her, and I got this for 2,000 naira each, and I got, I think, 8 packs. They're inside here. So I got 8 packs. And then I think I got one Sonia tomato roll. I still have some in the house, but I don't want it to finish. So I just got one roll. This is 800 naira. And then we have chicken. I think, was it a kilo or I think a kilo and a half or something. I can't really remember. But I just told them to cut it for me. I just got chicken. This is 9,500 worth of chicken. Then these are fish. I want to put them inside here to see. Oh my. So these are the fish that I got, and I bought 30 pieces for 40,000 naira. Half carton of the fish. It's actually half carton, and a carton come out 60 pieces. The woman and I, the lady I bought it from, I think I show you guys when they were sharing the fish. I think I take a clip, I'll show you guys. And it came out 30 pieces, 60 pieces. So I took 30 and she took 30, and that 30 she gave me for 40,000 naira. I don't know if it's a good buy, but last time I bought it 36,000, and now I'm buying it 40,000 naira. For me, it's expensive, but I just have to get it anyway. So those are the things I got. And then I got, I don't know, I think the lady said is I can't really remember the name of this thing, but yeah. Then I got corn for my corn cake. This is half pint of corn, and it sold for 1,750. I think so. Yeah, 1,750. I want to select it. That's why I didn't blend it. I want to select it, and then I'll go and blend it. Then I bought groundnut oil. Tara groundnut oil. I bought 3 sachets. Each is sold for 3,000. Bless me, 3,500. I think I will find a way and save before December, or by December get what is it called, air fryer, because the amount of groundnut oil that we consume is not smiling. This one will not carry us anywhere, but we'll just manage. Then I got my favorite washing soap. I just got 2. We still have in the house. I think these are everything. Okay, tomatoes. I got tin tomatoes. I don't know where they put it. Why can't I find it? Did she make a mistake and did not put it? I'll check, but I got Sonia tomato, 2 tin of Sonia tomato. Those are everything that I got. Things that I did not buy is cow meat, isam, flour, palm oil, onions, water leaf, vegetable, uziza leaf, okra, maggi, and spice city roll. So those are the things that I did not buy. Maybe we'll go buy them tomorrow, or I'll send someone to help me and get them. So these are everything that we got. So I've not eaten, like I said before. This is almost 4 o'clock. Okay, I drank Predator and fish biscuits because I was very hungry, and I want to make simple soup if I can, but we still have okra soup in the fridge. But let's see. Anyhow, I'll take you guys along. If I do not take you guys along, we will see tomorrow. Okay, see you guys later. Yes, baby. Is that one? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, yeah. These are eggs. I've great of eggs. Um, chicken wraps. This 3K. This 3K. 30,000. Beans. For I think 6 5. I have mango rice for 7K. These are I got them in one pint, one pint. These onion beans, also one custard. This one is 6,500. I didn't see my mama order for it, so I just got it for it. I have dry fish. Fish are so expensive. This tiny fish for 5,000. Three of this dry fish for um 5,000. Got serviette 3,000. 300 3,150. Are you serious? I thought it's 350 naira. I did not even know. Oh my god. Anyway, I bought some crayfish, 2,000 naira worth of crayfish, 500 ish. And of the sea 4 cups for 2,800. The woman did not have parental, this parental, so I just bought 1 cup. This is palm oil, and I got 2 for 4,000 naira. I got sugar, 2,000 naira, branded sugar. I want to do popcorn, so I just got small 1 cup of corn for 700 naira, I think. And I bought 1 custard of flour for 4,000 naira. I bought cucumber and garden egg for 1,000 naira. Toothpaste, Pepsodent toothpaste. I bought it for 1,500. And then we have salad groundnut oil, two salad groundnut oil for 3,500 each, three rolls of Sonia tomato, 900 or 800 each. Good Mama detergent, 8 packs of Nutribon. It sold for 2,150 and I got 8 packs. And then I got this Omni SD card, 64 GB for 5,000. It says 1,000 naira. If I'm not 5,000. It says 6,000, but I gave him 5,000. The guy that I bought it from. So yeah, that is everything that I got. Okay, onions. I got one pint of onions for 4,000 naira. Yeah, so that's everything that I got.